The battery saver active warning in your Chevy indicates a problem with your vehicle's electrical system, specifically that the battery voltage is low, below 11.5 to 12 volts. This isn't an error itself, but a signal that the car is trying to conserve energy by limiting power to non-essential functions like interior lights or the radio. The root cause can be a failing battery, common with age, sulfation, or extreme temperatures. A faulty alternator that isn't properly charging the battery. Look for outputs of 13.5 to 14.5 volts at idle. A parasitic drain caused by electrical leaks, or even damaged wiring and sensors. Addressing this promptly is crucial to avoid being stranded or potentially damaging your vehicle's electrical control module. Start by using a multimeter to test your battery's voltage. When the car is off, it should read 12.6 volts or higher. Next, check the alternator's output while the engine is running. It should produce 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for trouble codes, especially P0562, which indicates low system voltage. For quick fixes, try restarting the vehicle or disconnecting and reconnecting the battery to reset the system. If needed, replace the battery for $100 to $300, repair the alternator for $300 to $600, or fix any parasitic drain. Prevent future issues with regular battery load testing every 6 months and using a battery tender during long storage. If you're not comfortable with electrical repairs, consult a certified mechanic to ensure safe and proper fixes.